Hello, my name is Srbouhi Biyazyan, and I will be informing you about Huntington's disease and its effect on the human body. Huntington's disease is a progressive and fatal disease characterized by the breakdown of nerve cells in the human brain. The protein that is mutated in Huntington's disease is called Huntington. This is a result of an expanded CAG repeat. In the picture, you can see this on the DNA strand as yellow CAG. This results in a polyglutamate strand, totaling over 36 residues as compared to a normal cytoplasmic protein, which totals less than 36 glutamine residues. Huntington's disease is inherited genetically and is an autosomal dominant disorder. The average age of onset is 40 years. This disease affects 5 to 10 individuals per 100,000 persons. Some symptoms of the disease can be defined as chorea, or jerky and involuntary movement, disturbance of the gait, bradykinesia, incoordination, cognitive decline, and social disinhibition. The average age of death is 20 years after the age of onset. Studies have found that neurodegeneration in affected individuals begins years before the disease generates signs and symptoms. For this reason, it is difficult to diagnose an affected individual earlier on. Diagnosis is based off of neurological testing, such as testing balance, reflexes, movement, walking, and mental orientation. Diagnosis is also attained through genetic testing, which involves obtaining DNA from a blood sample and counting the number of CAG repeats. A physician may also order brain imaging, such as a CT scan or an MRI. An affected individual is likely to have shrinkage of the striatum and some of the cortex. The ventricles will be expanded. You can see this in the diagram as the ventricles are wider in size as compared to the brain that is normal for the individual's brain. Currently, there is no cure for the disease, but treatment options are available, such as therapeutic interventions. Treatment plans are more focused on delaying progression and preventing onset. Those who have a family history of Huntington's disease can now test for the Huntington's disease gene. Community resources are available. Scientists are having difficulty understanding how the nerve cells are malfunctioning and becoming destroyed in people with the disease. Scientists' aim is to turn the stem cell into a copy of a neuron that is mutated, that reflects the disease. They want to study it and learn how the nerve damages the brain and in turn the individual. Scientists are in the process of testing drugs that will hopefully lead to new treatments. They are also testing drugs that will control symptoms and slow the rate of degeneration. Those affected with the disease have a notably different brain structure. Scientists are investigating how altered brain development affects Huntington's disease. It is hypothesized that those with the disease have altered brain development early on that stay with an individual throughout their lifespan and only originate subtle functional discrepancies. The following are my references to this presentation. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it.